In my previous video, I showed you how I made PCB design using Easy EDA, and today I will show you how to transfer that design on a copper clad and etch it. So let's get started. So let's see what we need. Once you have your design, you need to take a printout of it on a normal paper. Don't use extra premium glossy paper, it gives the same result as a normal paper. In this way you can save a few bucks too. Next we need is a copper clad. Ferrous chloride, you can get that in powder form or a liquid solution. A sponge with scrubbing pad, cloth iron and a spatula. So now let's see how to do it. Cut your printout in an appropriate size and measure the dimensions, and then cut the copper clad slightly bigger than your design with the help of a saw. Now you can use a filer to round the edges. Use a scrubber to scrub the board. Many people will say to use a sandpaper, but I don't recommend, as the copper layer on this board is very thin and can scrape off. Next, use the soap and clean the board so it won't have any oil marks, which will help the design stick to the board properly. Once the board is dried, place the design over it and turn on your iron on maximum temperature and keep moving iron over it for at least 5 minutes, which will transfer the design over the board. After this, throw your PCB into the water and after 5 minutes, slowly start peeling off the paper. Do it carefully and try not to damage the design. Make sure your design is proper, and if not, use a marker to fix any broken traces. Take a glass plate and pour some water in it, and I repeat, use a glass plate, as metal one will react and plastic can melt. And also, don't forget to wear the gloves. And now, pour the powder into the water. Here, the amount of ferrous chloride will vary according to the size of your PCB, and stir it. Then, put the PCB in it. Now you will have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes or even more. But if you want to speed up the process, you can keep stirring it. And when you see no copper around the traces, that's the time when you are done. Now rinse the PCB with some fresh water, and then you can use scrubber to remove the ink. And your PCB is ready. Use a Dremel and make holes where necessary, and solder your components, and this project is complete. So that's it for this video guys. Comment down below if you have any suggestion for next videos, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.